Hey guys, and welcome to my another tutorial. Today we're gonna make that our enemy will shoot back to the player. So let's start with changing our shooting script. First of all, let's change bullet speed to 50. In last video I've changed it manually here, but we're gonna use this script on enemy as well. Okay, so let's make it 50 and let's add some new variables like bool if it's AI and float for shooting speed for our enemy. Let's make it something like this. Let's add F. Okay, float time is 0, and now we need to make new if statement here. If this is AI, then something, and else we're gonna have this. If it's AI, then we want it to shoot only when time is more than AI shooting time, and else we're gonna change time by time delta time, and here we're gonna change time to 0. I don't know where that floats came from, but yeah, 0. Now let's change bullet. So we don't. I think I don't want to make it don't collide with a tag, but instead of this, I don't want to collide with game object. So let's make a bool. This way, let's make it true. This way we can change if we want our bullet to collide with only specific tag or only specific tag. Yeah, only specific object or tag. Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's make something to set up our tag and object. So public set don't collide, and here we're gonna make string tag, and when we have something like this, then don't collide equals tag, and don't collide if tag is true. And we want to do same thing for our object. So we have don't collide object equals object, and don't collide with tag false. Okay. Yeah. Now we want to add another if statement here. I think inside of this. Inside of this? No, outside of this. Yeah, outside of this. If don't collide with tag, and else. If we don't want to collide with tag, there will be this thing, and else we will be doing something similar, but game object don't collide object. Something like this. It should work fine. Okay, now we need to add to our shooting call for this. So we need to bullet object. Bullet object. Get component bullet and set don't collide can do this. This thing is the same as that game object. So we're gonna take game object that is spawning a bullet, and we want, yeah, we can live here using tag, and here we will be using game object, so our enemy can shoot other enemy if we would like to do this way. So let's check it out. First of all, we need to move our shooting script here. We don't need shoot key, we need bullets, and we will set it to AI, and he should start shooting. Yeah, he's shooting. There's one problem. He's shooting all the time, and we want him to shoot only when he's looking at player. So to change that, we can add here public variable bull, and we will check if he is looking at player. So we know if he's looking here, so else, and here we gonna make something like this. Oh, true and false. So he's looking at player or not. Look at player, okay, and we need to use this in our shooting here. If looking at player, yeah, here or here, yeah, let's make it here. If looking at player, get, and to make it this way, get component, look at player, looking at player. Okay, so if we are looking at player, then we can shoot, and our time will reset. Okay, this time will go up. I think I need to stop this a little. If time is more than AI shooting time plus 10, then time will be time. So we need to make it. Okay, let's leave it this way. It doesn't really matter if it's maybe not. Let's make it this way. It will look a little bit cleaner. Okay. So let's check it out. And now he should shoot only when he's turning to player. When you move away, he will not shoot. So I think next thing we should do is make him go to the player, but this will be in another tutorial. And for this one I think it's all working fine. Let's test one thing, if he can shoot the other enemy. So we're gonna stay here. Yeah, he's shooting at him, so it works fine. Okay, that's all for this tutorial, guys, and I hope it helps you, and see ya!